CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is 15th of June 2025. A recent law was passed in Pakistan, according to which strict punishments were prescribed against child marriage, but this law is not being implemented. In Kasur, Kanza Mushtaq, who is 14 years old and a minor, was married to Ali Raza, but no action has been taken yet. Pastor Shang Chen says that now the attacks on Christians in China are no longer secret. Now the government is openly arresting Christians, implementing its demands and putting pressure on them, and this includes physical violence. Francine Kajodo said that 5 members of her family were killed in an attack by the Allied Democratic Forces in Congo. The authorities have no power over these extremists and more attacks are happening. All Christians are afraid. Mojo I says that when you are a Christian in Myanmar, you are in the eyes of the authorities. You have been branded as a traitor and harming Buddhists. Now he was also arrested for spreading unrest in the area. Recently, the church in his area has been closed. We look at the situation of Christians in Turkmenistan, due to social pressure. Collective activities cannot take place. Acceptance for Christians is not a thought of people. Dariul Jam Kaf says that they are in prison only for following Christianity. We add news from Iran. Lael Sati, who was in prison for 15 months because of her Christian faith on charges of supporting Israel, has been released on bail. She is still under close surveillance, and attention is being paid to her mobile phone and other means of communication. Attacks on Christians in Uganda could not stop. The authorities' claims of protecting Christians have been proven false. The Islamic State has been harming Christians by attacking the country for a long time. In all these situations, no action has been taken against them. Father Peter Victor says that a bomb was dropped from a plane on a Catholic church, which killed 9 people and injured many others. And the cruelty towards Christians in Myanmar has reached its peak. Manala says that ISIS has created a very dangerous environment in Iraq. Women are their special target. They kidnap them for sexual violence. Manala was also kidnapped. She was also mocked because of her Christian faith. Iran has launched a large-scale counterattack on Israel, which has been called Operation Promised Sadiq 3. This attack was carried out in response to Israel's attack on the Iranian embassy in Damascus, in which top Iranian military officers and nuclear scientists were killed. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.